Baby, lock them doors and turn the lights down low. You're wet sanding, huh?
Dry.
Well, why is there a bucket of water?
Well, eventually we will wet sand, yeah, but not right now.
And time for muffled. Where do you want me to go?
You guys work the fenders.
Okay.
You know what you're doing?
Sanding?
Do you know how? How?
X pattern. X pattern. It's like the YMCA, but not. You know?
So I already have this done, pretty much. So go over here and here and down here.
Okay.
But you see, we just want to smooth it. So this is 120. You see the scratches yet?
Yeah.
But this is just to knock it down. Try to get the low spots out that are showing through. That really seems like it's scratching bad. So don't get too carried away with it. Just try to identify the low spots and work them out.
But
Just try to see your technique.
prime it?
These pieces, yeah. We need to pull that door off and we can start working on it. I think it's...
I didn't really do the under door sanding, but I did the fender under sanding. Can you guys hold this for me? Thanks. Well, I'm taking these things off, right? Not
Half
these.
inch probably. Right.
Cool. I didn't think we were taking the hinges off. Half inch. That's the other one.
May need a wrench.
Half.
There's a 9/16 in case I'm wrong, but that rarely ever happens.
Always right.
Sometimes left.
Sometimes you are right. It's not 9/16. You're right.
Lefty, righty, loosey, tighty. Or something like that.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So I have
Goosey
to turn
goosey.
it down. When we have enough of these videos, we can go back and see how many times we've contemplated which way we're supposed to be going. What you making all this noise for? Uh-oh.
It's an
Oh,
aid.
pump it up.
Pump it up some. Well, I was trying to get a protective barrier.
Well, I'm going to see if I can get the other one to start. So. Holy hell. What do we do to this poor door? Oh.
Use 2 wrenches.
2 wrench your face.
It's just a suggestion. That's not going to work.
Are they supposed to kiss?
Kissing, yep.
How do I connect? It's not this way.
What? Go on the bottom.
Like this?
Yeah. From the top.
Damn it, you made me lose my wrench. I really look like I just rolled around in some powdered sugar. Oh, peace. You done lost one. Oh my god. What did you do? Torque this thing?
Torque to the proper spec, that's right.
I need a bar. You think a socket can fit in there? Because I have one.
Here.
Come on.
Yep. Are you done yet?
No. Can you still hear it?
What?
You can still hear that. It's not done yet. Still not done yet, sorry. I know the sound stopped.
I love body work.
That's sarcasm?
Yes.
Why? You don't like body work? Do you like
okay.
the welding aspect, or you just want sanding?
No, the welding.
Sanding's boring.
The major stuff is better than this detailed work.
See, I think just like I
always
get
have
bored.
enough patience for this.
Well, now I know where all your patience went.
Where?
To your first car. That's why you just pay someone else to do it.
If you got unlimited money, that's right. May I ask what you're doing?
It's like stuck. May I ask why your bolt's not coming out? Ooh. Len, hold on, the top one's not out. Don't go pulling stuff yet. We're gonna be here for another few business days.
I have to sneeze.
You will.
Take your time. It's not heavy.
Okay. I will. You're free. You need help?
Yes.
Okay, 2.2 seconds. You gotta move the camera angle too, you know? Is it on that side? Or is it gonna fall?
Let's try to
Flip
turn
the
it
other way?
and put it in this groove if it will work. Which way are you going?
I don't know.
Clockwise or counterclockwise?
I'm just going whichever way you're not.
Now that's nice. Hey, did I tell you I found my file?
No. Did you find it?
It was stuck to the yellow light on the magnet on the back.
Of course it was. Tell them what you're doing.
I'm trying to make this look presentable.
Okay, but like at this very second.
I'm standing here with the file in my hand.
Yeah, that's over.
No, but you can do all this
So we have to
inside
paint
stuff.
this too?
I am, but it
You're not-
doesn't need to be.
You're just gonna paint over this?
I'm just gonna paint it over.
It's
That's
kind of
right.
like Jackie.
Jackie?
Jacked up.
I don't know, Jackie.
You want me to sand these sides?
I thought you'd never ask.
I feel like this is a loofah. Like this.
I made it.
Out of what?
What?
Out of what?
Piece of foam that I had
Cock.
left over from something.
I don't want to get blasted. Be honest, guys. Do I look stupid?
Nope.
Whoa.
You look dirty, but not stupid.
Well, you can look dirty and stupid. They're not mutually exclusive. What do I really need to say? What you looking for?
My brain.
Good luck finding that. What kind of yellow do you think this is? Is it more of a mustard or a pea? I think it's more of a pea. Pea yellow.
I don't know. Camaro had a yellow 68.
Was it called pea?
I don't know what color the yellow is called, but it's probably what it is. You're
Yellow?
looking at it. Huh?
Pea.
Pea. Pea green.
Pea green would be green.
What?
Or are we talking about like the vegetable? We're talking about the vegetable, right? Pea green, not P-E-E.
That's right.
I was saying that this yellow looks like P-E-E.
Oh, that pea.
Yeah. Are there yellow peas out there that are spelled P-E-A?
It's gotta be.
I mean, there doesn't have to be. Maybe our like 10 million
Once you
special.
hit 10 views.
10?
Oh.
Yeah, once I hit 10. Please, guys, I know we're kind of boring, but we're a little funny, right?
To look at.
Totally.
Wow, that got hard quick.
That's what she said.
Mm-hmm.
Ah! See, I said we're all about them jokes. Sure you guys have noticed my battle scar. I was in a fight with a rat.
And you lost.
Yeah, I did. You got me good. He stole the cheese right out of my hands.
Cheese and rice.
Fleas and rats.
Fleas on mice. Sing that song.
Huh?
Fleas on mice.
Ooh, fleas on rats, fleas on rats.
That's it, sing it.
Ooh, fleas on rats, fleas on rats. I heard that you were talking. Oh wait, no, that's the other song.
We need Julia. She was always
Yeah.
good at singing that one.
You just saying I'm not good at singing?
Well, not specifically, but now that you bring it up.
Offended. Offended.
That's your offended face?
What is this little rat?
It's an anti-squeak feature.
It's like falling apart.
Well, the old girl's 60 years old.
I think she's older than that. Ooh! You gotta blow inside of her.
56. Not yet. Just focus on sanding. That's
Where?
your job. All this.
I did. Is it not good?
You got it all good?
Well, this part probably not. But this part, yeah. Do I have to be pretty with this or just effective?
Pretty effective, that's right.
No. Okay.
Somebody did some nice welding, I'll tell you.
It was me.
I know.
I don't remember how many I did. What did I do, like 3? You should have recorded that part.
That was back before you had a channel.
We could go back in time. Start in the beginning. Would we be
Would we do it all over again?
anywhere? No. Do I need a sand in the crevice?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you want me to do that right now, or do you want me to keep sanding the door?
Do it right now.
On it.